Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 2500. Ram 2500 is the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.